2025, book cover designs have completely changed. So if you're still planning to use stock images on your book cover, you need to update yourself. Let's look at the top cover design trends that have been all the rage this year. Using large fonts that take up most of the space on the cover is not just a trend, but it's also a tactic. Big and bold typography helps your book stand out not only in online thumbnails but also in physical stores. Choose your title and font carefully so people are able to read it at just a glance. Cover designers are also layering photos, textures and clippings to create an eye-catching collage. Each layer adds a little curiosity, and this works well for literary fiction, memoirs, or anything that's slightly unconventional. Abstract design that set the mood of your story without spelling it out are also gaining popularity. This may work well for both fiction and non-fiction, and especially poetry books. So take inspiration from all these trends, but don't be afraid to try something new. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!